National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m.
20-30 minutes.
At 7:31 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes were located along a line extending from Lake Barrington to Carroll Stream, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: brief rain-wrapped tornadoes. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Hoffman Estates, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, Mundelein, Lake Zurich, and Rolling Meadows around 7:35 p.m. Mount Prospect, Buffalo Grove, Hearns Hills, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Wooddale, and Run Lake Park around 7:40 p.m. Chicago, Waukegan, Des Plaines, Wheeling, Bentonville, Prospect Heights, and Lincolnshire around 7:45 p.m. O'Hare Airport, Northbrook, North Chicago, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Rosemont, Green Oaks, Riverwoods, and Bannockburn around 7:50 p.m. Omega zones, tornado warning. 1 and 2. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains